Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to see Facebook history. Okay, so let's get started. Then first of all, click on Facebook app, tap on menu, scroll down, click on settings and privacy, tap on settings. Okay, scroll down, click on activity log, tap on activity history. Just wait few seconds, click on filters, then tap on categories. Click on your Facebook activities, then all histories and Facebook, then your activity history. That's all. Thanks for watching. Please like, comments and subscribe. Thank you.